Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jeremy, and thanks for joining in to the 1986 Trans Am Rescue, episode 10 or 11 of hopefully not 4,000, but that's what it feels like. In today's short video clip, we make some real progress. We get some primer and some paint and some rust removal on the firewall. Also, get the dash back in the car. And finally, a brand new brake booster, which I'm hoping solves all my vacuum issues. So thanks for joining in. Here we go. What's up with my hands?
It is about 40 degrees outside, still too cold to paint, so we got the halogen lights right on our two spots here, and it's warm enough. It is definitely warm enough when I put the little gun on it. We are at 55 degrees. I think that might be good enough to get some primer on there. I'm going to shoot that with some rust stuff and some cleaner, and then let's get some primer on these. That'll be good. No one will ever see this. Just really want to slow down the process of rusting or anything else. Same thing on this side. Now, let's see. How do I get in there? Not. That's good. Halogen lights are no joke. When I put this dot right there, I mean, that is heating it up significantly. Over here, that is awesome.
Well, at this point, it just took a lot of time for those halogen lights to kind of bake on that primer and just wait and wait and wait. As you can see, looks like it's turning out pretty good.
Yep. I tried to win the Nova too. That is hot. Okay, let's just. Yeah. That's fine. Lefty, not so good left-handed. Oh, God, this is dangerous. Oh, it's not good. Well, I don't quite trust these halogen lights on this car with how hot they get. So I'm just going to have to sit out here and have a couple brewskis and let this dry. What are you doing? Are you waiting for the paint to dry too? Do you know why I pulled you over? Was it my dash?
Nope. It's your front license plate. Sorry about that. I got a little bored. Black paint turned out pretty good, and now it's on to the brake booster.
There, that's in. Okay. Let's get those bolts on. This was the hard part. All right, let's try this. See if this will get it to get a little stick.
Good.
Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm gonna spray out that. See if we get anything coming out of here. I really hope not. I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting this back together. My plan of saving all my screws and keeping them organized didn't go so well. But I have a feeling that someone else was already in here and not everything was where it was supposed to be. So I'm gonna do the best that I can, put it all back together. From what I remember, these things rattled like crazy anyways back in the day, and I think that's just the way they are. So I'm gonna set this up. Enjoy the show.
Well, that'll do it for today. If you've made it this far, please consider subscribing. It helps me out. And then next week, I'm really hoping to get this AC delete in, as well as potentially pull this steering wheel out and give the rust some sanding and primer and paint and make that look a lot better. That's a real eyesore when I've been watching all these videos. But again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time.